Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today video is beautiful shalwar kameez designs, latest colors, latest sleeves, neck and daman designs you have here. All designs looks awesome and you can wear in summer and winter also, because the sleeves are full and shirts are long. As you know, in these days long shirts are in fashion. And here we have some capri designs, also shalwar designs with kusas, with high heels. Different cut works, embroidered, lace, joint bells, black, blue, brown, mustard, all colors you have here. All designs are very elegant and simple. As you see, different double sheet shirts are here with kurta designs, round neck, off-white veils with multi-shaded colors, and mustard or greenish blue, sky blue, ice green colors looks very awesome in different shades. That's beautiful parrot green color. And red is always favorite one color. There's a many shades in red color, but here we have some of them. That's his awesome shirt, awesome. And this one is also looks so pretty. And this top is elegant. Here you have two colors, as you wish, as you want, you can wear. This is a neckline design and with the embroidery, with veil, with lace. This white top is so elegant, so beautiful. That's again red. And this shirt is with daman and sleeve designs. Also this have daman sleeve designs with capri. This also have daman design. That one is so beautiful with embroidered work, with neckline, arm designs and applique work also looks so beautiful. You can choose any one of them. These off-white outfits with black embroidered designs, applique works, looks so beautiful. You can wear in offices, in university and other your family occasion casual wear, you have them. This one is also so beautiful. It's applique work. It's sleeve design. And that's also very awesome. If you like my video, please thumbs up, do share, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and drop a beautiful heart in comment section. Also suggest which one is very beautiful dress you have. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.